The Supreme Court dealt a huge blow to Planned Parenthood with a ruling that allows states to cut off Medicaid dollars to the provider, even for health care unrelated to ending a pregnancy. National correspondent Matt Gelka reports from Washington.
A 6-3 ruling from the Supreme Court on where Medicaid patients get their care could open the door to defund Planned Parenthood. The 6 conservative justices blocked Planned Parenthood from suing South Carolina after the state pulled the provider's Medicaid funding in 2018. The 3 liberal justices dissented.
You should have the freedom to decide what's best for you, not the government. This is a fight that Planned Parenthood has never backed down from.
South Carolina's Governor Henry McMaster celebrated the decision, writing in part, 7 years ago we took a stand to protect the sanctity of life and defend South Carolina's authority and values. And today, we are finally victorious.
This is a great win, not just for South Carolina, but for all of us as pro-life taxpayers who have a definitive decision from the United States Supreme Court that we are not forced to fund the abortion industry with our tax dollars.
This chapter of the abortion rights fight centered around whether or not Medicaid patients could pick their own providers. Medicaid already can't provide funding for abortions, but South Carolina's decision to cut off all Medicaid money to Planned Parenthood and the court's decision to block lawsuits over the policy means other states could soon follow suit. Planned Parenthood says around half of their patients use Medicaid. Conservatives have long tried to defund Planned Parenthood, saying that even though federal money can't go towards abortion services, any taxpayer money supporting the organization still helps them provide the procedure. The House version of the Big Beautiful Bill in Congress has a provision that bars Medicaid funding for Planned Parenthood nationwide.
In states where abortion is legal, that would in essence be a backdoor way of banning abortion.
3 other states, Texas, Arkansas, and Missouri, have already cut Planned Parenthood off from Medicaid. Other states could follow if the provision in the congressional bill doesn't end up making the final version. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.